Hello friends, welcome to 𝗰𝗍𝗀𝗃. In this video, we are going to learn about code snippet. Code snippets are one of the coolest features of the Visual Studio that you can speed up your coding a lot. Let's see this in action. Here have a class called a code snippet tutor. For example, let's say we want to create a constructor for this class. Most of us will do it in this way. Here is a faster way of doing that using a code snippet. Did you see how faster it is? So how does this work? There are certain reserved keywords that you can use to automatically insert a ready-made code snippet into your code. In this case, I use the keyword 𝗳𝗍 as it in short for a constructor and then press the tab. Let's try again. I did not have to manually type the name of the class for the constructor method. All I typed was 𝗳𝗍 and selected the 𝗳𝗍 and pressed the tab. Is very easy, right? Here is another example. Let's say we want to type a console writeline in the constructor here. We can write it in an easy way. Instead of writing console.writeline, just type CW as in short for console writeline. Select this short form and then press the tab to create a console writeline. Now let's create an order implemented property here called age. This is how developers who do not use a code snippet do this. You can do this faster way using the code snippet. Just type prop and then press the tab. Here you go. Here is another useful one to create a try catch block. Use try like this and press tab. Or we can use try F if we want to create a try finally block. Another useful code snippet is for. Let's try it. To create the for loop, type for and press tab. To create a decrement for loop, type for or to create a for loop decrement. To create a for each, type for each and press tab. In same way, for a while also, to create a while loop, type while and press tab. For more code snippets, I have provided link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.